everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to block a YouTube channel and how to hide a user from your channel. So let's get started. Open your YouTube application on your smart device and check if you are signed in to your account. First, we'll show you how to block a channel, and it should be like this. Look for the video in the list of videos on your homepage. By finding the video, you can notice on the right side 3 dots that you will click on. A drop-down menu will open where you will look for the Don't Recommended Channel option and click on it. This will block you from the channel, and that channel will no longer be shown on your YouTube. Now we move on to another method, which is how to hide a user from your YouTube. For example, we will take this same channel, only now we will click on the icon of the profile itself. By clicking on the profile icon on the new page in the upper right corner, you can see 3 dots and click on a small menu will open where you will go down to the Hide User from My Channel option and click on it. And that is that! The channel is now blocked. By following these simple steps, you can easily block a YouTube channel. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.